All right, guys, I'm going to show you how well SB3 Decon works on getting out those pesky rust spots that I showed you earlier. Now, keep in mind, everybody may have these little rust spots. However, they're most noticeable on white and silver and other very light colored vehicles. So if you see those tiny little rust spots, this is what you need. You need iron and fallout remover. Something that I wanted to show you, because we're going to demonstrate how well it works, is you're going to see these little rust spots, hopefully a little bit on camera. Now you think, oh, is my vehicle rusting? The vehicle isn't rusting per se. What this is, they get transported in the rail, and little pieces of iron and fallout, they get embedded into the paint in the clear coat, and then they start to rust at even a little bit of moisture or water. The first thing we need to do is make sure the vehicle is generally clean and dry, and that prevents the little dust and dirt particles from blocking the decon from touching the paint and the fallout. We need it to touch the paint. So you'll see it just looks like a regular nothing, right? Looks like nothing. But we're gonna sit here and we're gonna watch, and I know it's gonna change color because I can see the rust spots. It's already starting to happen. You see all this starting to come out? Now here's a cool trick. You can agitate this out. As a matter of fact, you're gonna wanna agitate it out and then rinse it with cool water. But something that you can do is sometimes you can use a clay bar and use the iron and fallout remover as a clay bar lubrication. Remember I told you it was a little bit of like a sticky or a thicker film? So it'll work for clay bar. And clay bar is designed to pull contaminants out of the surface of your paint. And so the iron and fallout remover is kind of loosening it up, and the clay bar, see how it glides nice and easy? And that's again because of the way the iron and fallout remover is. They're all like this, the thickness. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't, like I said, the fallout remover, the smell doesn't bother me. I do think personally that SB3 has the best smelling one that I've tried. It's the least offensive odor. I don't know what's different. Again, I'm not a chemist, don't ask me. I'm just a detailer, okay? Now, if you notice, there was more concentrated stuff up here. So who knows what that's from? It could have been a rail or something, and that's where it got hit. It's also a little concentrated in the bottom. I know it's not from driving because the car doesn't have almost any miles on it. Okay, so I told you we're inside. I've been detailing inside lately. It's really hot in Texas. So we want to rinse all this iron out. Rinse the residue off. Definitely don't want to leave that residue on. Bam. Nice and smooth, no iron, no fallout. So clean it, spray it, agitate it, rinse it off, make sure it doesn't stay on there. No more iron and fallout, no more rust.